Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Subscribe. Check this out. This is a beauty, guys. Nice 2500 6.0 gas motor. Back at it again. Hope you guys like the channel. If you do, subscribe. Tell your friends. Tell everybody. Holler at me. But check this out, though, honestly. This is a 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD 6.0 liter gas motor beast. Nice truck, guys. The LT model. It's got a mild suspension lift on it. We're running a set of 18x10 TUFF wheels. That's TUFF wheels right here. Wrapped in a set of Falken Wildpeak 325 60/18. No rubbing or scrubbing at all. Front to left, side to side, wherever. And it sticks out barely anything right there. Look at that. With the body line. Nice and contour. Smooth. The transition is really nice. It's got upgraded upper control arms. It's got what else? We got Weston step bars on it. They've seen better days. A few rock chips here and there. The truck overall is really nice. I'll walk through. It's got 2500 mirror aftermarket mirrors on it with the LEDs and stuff like that. Let's see if I can get it to go off. Watch this. Ready? Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. So walking around the truck, remote start. And you can also shut it off. Sounds pretty beefy. Listen. Fogging up the camera. Little dent in the rear quarter panel or bumper corner right there. I'm taking care of. I'm actually buying a new one. You can replace these guys. These come off in sections right here. They're riveted down, but they're very easy to replace. Bop, 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 bop. Drill them out. Pop the new ones in. Rivet them back in. You're good to go. Brand new. Here's the truck overall. Walking around it. It's really nice. Clean. It's got a beautiful, like, kind of dark gray, like a slate gray almost, and the black contour with the, you know, how it clashes with the black tinted windows and the black wheels really sets it off. It looks nice. So 2500 suspension and a gas motor truck. You get the best of both worlds right there. A lot of people always ask, why switch to a why do I want to go to a gas motor truck or a diesel truck? Two different things right there. Two totally different ways to approach this. Towing power, diesel. Pulling power, diesel. Fuel economy, diesel also, but gas motor. Then you get your prices and stuff like that. You get your cost of repairs. Diesels are typically, you know, sometimes can be double the price of a gas motor to repair. But in the same respect of it, they last twice as long, granted, yes, if you keep up with them. But then again, anything will last twice as long if you keep up with it. With this 2500 truck, it's like the best of both worlds. You get a 2500 suspension and a 6.0 beefed up gas motor, the bigger brother of the 5.3 liter. So you can't beat it. Let's take a look inside, shall we? Bed liner, kick-ass. You get your tie-down hooks right here. Flip this right here, pull them up. Little tie-down hooks, they hide away. A really nice, cool little setup right there, guys. Zoom in, camera. Stop being lazy. Dent right here. The truck does have a few dents and scratches in it, not gonna lie. A few rock chips here and there. Whoops, we locked it out. And there's a dent right there. There we go. Window guards on all of them. Interior is really nice and clean. Nothing too crazy. These are like a what do you call it? Ivory seats. They're white seats. They're really nice, but they do get very dirty. If you brush them the right way, they all look the same. So, bench seat right here folds up. Center console turns into a lock-in, hideaway, whatever you want to hide right there. You get your trailer brake. You get your four-wheel drive. You have your pedal adjustment, which I love. I love the pedal adjustment. Why is my camera not zooming in today? There we go. Pedal adjustment button. No backup camera. Headliner's in great shape. Nice Chevy floor mats. There's the center portion right there. Here's this portion that always breaks right here. Here's a glove box right there. There's a brand new inspection oil change. There's some door jams. How do you like those door jams? Look at me now. No rust. Beautiful all the way up. Boom. Blacked out headlights. Blacked out housing headlights. And that's it. Hope you guys like this video. Hope it shed some information on you of what you're looking for, how you can help you out. There's some scratches right there like I was telling you, but the truck is used. It's an old 2008 truck. For crying out loud, if you want something brand new, go buy a brand new truck. And I'll mess with you guys. I know you love me and I love you. Subscribe, holler at me. This is Mark signing out. Oh, before I forget, the truck has, let's look at the miles on this baby. Ready? And it runs and drives great. The 6.0 sound a little different too. You can hear like the beefy bah, 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 kind of rumbling to it. It's nice. It's really nice to drive. It's fun to drive. 168,548 miles. Ice cold AC. With that said, I'm putting this AC cranking and I am out of here. See you guys later. Subscribe. Peace out. This is Mark signing out with the 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD LT. Peace out. See you. Bye.